So in today's video, we look at this company called IFAST, right? So IFAST is in the business of providing wealth management solutions. It's a fintech firm allowing people to trade in all kinds of financial products in Singapore. And we have covered this stock, about 2 months back in the video. You can check it out. And over the past few weeks, we have seen a bit of consolidation, but pretty much the uptrend was quite intact in the long term. So over the past month, there were some upside targets that were drawn, all right, but it seems like we're seeing a bit of strength coming back, and that's why we want to cover it today. All right, so just about 3 weeks back, right over here, all right, we could see a bit of upside targets that were drawn. It kind of rebounded from this support level at about $2, and there were some upside targets that were drawn to about $2.50 right over here, about 10% upside. That was about 3 weeks back. But right now, today is the 8th of October 2020. So we're going to look at IFAST again to see where we are and where can the upside be. It seems like we're seeing a bit of bullish actions coming back. IFAST is actually one of the companies, right, that progressed forward to the next stage. I think it's one of 9 companies that progressed forward to the next stage and might be awarded with this digital banking license, right? And that's the reason why we are seeing a pretty good, strong move in IFAST, all right, since June, all right, when it was announced. And they've been pretty much in a very strong uptrend, and it seems like we're seeing a bit of bullish actions coming back over the past few days. All right, so let's take a look at IFAST right now as of the 8th of October 2020. So we've kind of sent a note to clients and also to my inner circle members just a few hours back, I was trading live IFAST. So let me just show you what was sent out to clients right over here about 10:21 a.m. right over here. IFAST, right, after 2 months of consolidation, right, it seems like we're seeing a bit of a bullish move, all right, and there could potentially be a bit more upside. So there were some upside targets that were drawn and reiterated upwards all the way here, right? So that was just sent, today's the 8th of October, about 10:21 a.m. was then currently at about $2.52, right? And this message was sent out. So this is IFAST right now, right, as of the 8th of October, right, 2020. So the market has just opened just after lunch. The time now is about 1:08 p.m., right, Thursday, 8th of October, right over here. So the market just opened after lunch and it's currently trading about $2.59, right? Gone up just a bit, right? Just a few hours back was about $2.52, 53, all right, but now it's gone up to about $2.59. All right, so let's take a look at IFAST. Where are we right now? So you can see that we were actually consolidating sideways, right, since like August, September, for the past 2 months. A bit of sideways movement. Look at this, the green line, this 20 days moving average green line was like sloping ups, but then it started to like move sideways, right? And that's where it started to consolidate sideways in the short term. Right, but over the past few days, we started to see a bit of strength, and there were some upside targets that were drawn, as I mentioned, to about $2.50, right? So we kind of broke that $2.50 today, all right, just now, a few hours back, and your upside targets that were drawn. Let me just reiterate the upside targets again to probably about $2.80 first, and then probably to $3 if that gives way as well. Right, so the short-term trend, it was consolidating, and then now we're starting to see a bit of strength, especially when we broke that 250 today. So there could potentially be a bit more upside in the short term to about 280. All right, so what about the longer term trend? So I mentioned it in the previous video as well, just about a month back or 2 months back. There was a video on IFAST. I mentioned that the longer term trend still looks up. All right, it's still pointing up. It's pretty much intact. Look at this, the red line, the 100 days moving average is still pointing up. All right, sloping upwards gently, and this blue line is also sloping upwards. So in the long term, it looks really good. I mean, the uptrend. But we can also draw what we call an upward sloping channel support line. Let me just draw this line for you right over here to show that the uptrend has been pretty much intact, I would say, since June. Right, look at this, it has been holding really well, all right, above this upward sloping green, all right, channel support line. And of course, short term, we went up and then saw a bit of profit taking and started to consolidate. But right now, right, the fact that we kind of broke that $250 today, all right, we can potentially see a bit of upside coming back again, right, to about $2.80, right? So this is IFAST, right? So let's take a look at where we are, in terms of the systems that I have to kind of indicate, is there any bullish entry or exit signals? Let's take a look. So this is IFAST, all right, on the 1GT, all right, the one good trend system that I have to kind of help me, all right, to kind of filter out stocks and also guide me on when to get in and get out. So we actually had some bullish, entry and exit signals, I think, since since June, all right, since like the 29th of May, we got a 1 GT bullish entry signal, all right, exit right over here, another bullish entry signal, went all the way up, we got an exit and started to consolidate sideways, as I mentioned just now. But what happens was, just about a few weeks back on the 15th of September, we got another 1 GT, right, bullish entry signal, all right. And the thing is, there isn't any exit, all right, and we kind of like broke that $12.50 critical resistance level as well, and that's the reason why I feel that this counter might still head up in the short term to about $2.80, maybe even $3. It seems like a really good trigger for more upside, and today we are kind of breaking that $2.50, so yeah, could potentially have more upside for IFAST. So if you do like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, right? Hit the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed, right? So that you will be alerted to any new videos like this in the future. Of course, if you want to be alerted to counters like this even faster, what you can do is to just click on the link, all right, below this video, all right, find out more how you can become a client of mine in Phillip Securities, whereby, as a client, we have this WhatsApp broadcast. That's where we actually send out, as I've shown you just now, all right, some of those, ideas, right, by WhatsApp. There'll be a screenshot of the chart and a quick description, and this way you can actually participate in moves like this even faster, right? So go ahead to do that, all right, click on the link above or below this video, and of course, hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to the YouTube channel yet, and it will definitely help out the channel a bit. Thank you so much.